Hey guys, it's Regina from How to House. If you found this video, then you may be in a bit of a panic right now, so I'll cut right to the chase. Here's how you retrieve a ring or something you've accidentally dropped down the sink. First off, if your water is still running, turn it off immediately because it could push your object further down the drain of no return. Look under your sink. That U-shaped pipe is your P-trap. This trap is used to catch debris and gases, and in this case, it can also catch your jewelry. To take it apart, loosen the slip nuts on either side of the pipe's bend. Dump out any of the remaining water and voila, your lost object should be in there. I shared with you the P-trap method first because it's probably the most foolproof. However, there is another method you could try before getting into the nitty-gritty, the magnet method. Just attach a strong magnet to the end of a string and lower it down the drain. Obviously, this wouldn't work with gold or silver because those aren't magnetic, but this is a quick trick without the mess. So if you've tried both these methods and you still can't find what you're looking for, it's always best to just call your plumber. So how about you? Has this ever happened to you before? What did you do? Tell us in a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.